The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pike County in Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Johnanzie or 12 miles south of Pikeville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The storm will be near Virgie by 5:45, Rockhouse by 6:10, Shelbyana by 6:20, Marrowbone, Garden Village, Chloe, and 7 miles southeast of Pikeville by 6:25, and Fishtrap Lake, 6 miles south of Raccoon, and 8 miles south of Zebulon by 6:30. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report damaging winds, large hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.